So we are heading off to the mountains to do a little hiking with this beautiful girl right here. Why don't you focus? Focus. Ah, that girl. She's pretty. All right, see you in the mountains. Peace. So we are making our first stop here, and it's at a Dunkin', because fucking banana coffee that you haven't had yet, that you need to have. Coffee. Get it. All right, we are back, and we got cold brew with banana in it. Oh my God. She got hers, her little hot coffee, and she's doing a post right now because the WeTube app came out, and it's for real.
It's for reals. It's on Apple oh, fuck my balls. It's on Apple iOS.
You know, fuck my balls, Apple iOS.
That you knew I would. Now you lay with me, pretending that you're even near me. I choose my words with caution, 'cause I know that you don't hear me. I should've known when I saw the signs that I only looked away. Maybe I held on.
Hello, Rye. So we just got done filming a promo.
Oh yeah? Is that what we just did?
Yep.
We did.
Get it for the gram.
Hit it for the gram one time. Don't forget, you gotta gram it.
And then there's Rye doing it for the gram.
I got it.
So I have to get back over there, and I'm over here. And did I mention I'm small AF? Okay, so. Oh, look, it's a butterfly. Butterfly in the sky. I can fly twice as high.
Can you do this?
No, I can't do that because I'm not a freaking giant.
Act like you're so shameless. So enjoy it while it lasts. 'Cause when you least expect it.
Fly, my little butterman.
If you let it, I should've known when I saw the signs that I only looked away. Maybe I held on a little too tight. Maybe I held on a little too tight. I don't know who you run to, but I won't get in your way. Somehow I guess I loved you too much too soon, too little too late.
Is this the stairway to heaven? Stairway to heaven.
Right, there are so many great places. There's so many great places, and we keep stopping along the way.
Never make it.
I don't know who you run to, but I won't get in your way. Somehow I guess I loved you too much too soon, too little too late.
How we doing back there? Exactly.